Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, look, look. It's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing. If you don't like those things, leave now, because here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bang! Welcome, everyone. My name is Shamar Clark. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the most amazing show ever produced in the history of man. Yes. All right. So, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody. Thank you all, brothers, for the birthday wishes. You know, my crew. You know we down. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And everybody else who thanked me for my birthday. Good. Now, we've got work to do, brothers. Oh, and so this is the shit. All right. Look, I know you heard about it. Yeah. The China banning the crypto mining thing. Settle down. Settle the fuck down. Don't listen to these crypto nerd channels, man. You just stick here with Shamar. I'm going to fucking show you. Have you ever heard of a thing called regulatory arbitrage? All right. See how I just healed you right there. If you've been here with me, you obviously know what that is. If you're new, well, stick around, brothers. I'm going to teach you a little trick. It's called a regulatory arbitrage, all right? If you're new around these parts. For the old school brothers, well, stick around, buddy. Yeah, you know how it goes around these parts. Let's school these new cats. All right, brothers, and then what else we got? And then now money talk. Yes. Money talk. On-chain transactions are rising. Yes. On-chain transactions are rising in crypto. And we're going to talk about that. And yes, that is our money. And look, the money is here and it's staying here. The money's coming and it's staying. No more weekends, boys. Get everything you can. Buy everything you can. There are no more weak hands. Okay? Every penny that comes in is just a penny up more. A penny of more market cap. All right? Get everything you can, brothers. All right? It's all up in my grill. All right? And then finally, institutional trade volume is up for the 4th straight month. Indeed. I want to talk about that because, bang, that's what we're waiting for, institutional money. All right. So let's begin how we normally begin. We do a bang, and then we do a, we got to go over here, and then we do a bang. Yes. Then we do a refresh. So look, where are we at? 5234.68. All right, let's check it out. Yeah, up a couple bucks. All right. Look, brothers. You know how it goes down. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, yields, Binance Coin, Stellar, Cardano, and bang, Tether. Yes. What do we got here? What do we have here? All right, so single digits up to single digits down. It's not really have to think about it. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. Single digits up to single digits down. All right, brothers, let's look at what's on sale today. If anything in here you like, you go get that. Bang. Let's see what we got. Bang. Eesh, not much of a sale today. Nah. It's a little hard to have a sale when people are stuffing money into a tiny little market. Look, brothers. Yes, indeed. It's a little tough. Those days are over. Those days are pretty much over. Fuck, man. I'm not going to bullshit you. I wanted Bitcoin to go down to $2,000. I wanted to get like 5 of those motherfuckers. Yeah, those days are over. Those dreams are over. The dreams have been dashed. It's like that woman. Yes. You know, if I can just make enough money, I can approach her and she'll like me because I'm worthy now, right? But while you're making the money, someone else scoops her up. Like, shit, I missed her, right? You got to go get another girl. Look, brothers. Top 10 loser of the day, brothers. Qcoin shares, Verge, Engine Coin, Repo, DAI, Huobi Token, Zcoin, Inside Chain, and bang, Decred. All right. So look who made money today. Yes, indeed. Oh, this ABBC coin thing is still, it's always up in this thing. All right, guys, top 10 earners of the day. ABC coin, True Chain, Vest Chain, Crypto.com chain. A lot of chains up in that motherfucker. Look, Digitech Futures, IOST, Stratus. Yes, you know I like those boys. Hypercash and ARC. All right, let's look at our, oh, I got to get my paper so I can see what we've really done. Yes, let's look at the market cap of the days, brothers. So what are we at today? Market cap. Whoa, what? Wait. Ah, nicely. Fuck, from here it looked like 162. I was like, no. Because yesterday was 179.3. Oh, that was scary. That was spooky. That was spooky right there. Look, brothers. A little spooky. All right. So we're at 182 billion in terms of total market cap. Bang. And we're at 50 billion in terms of volume. And now look, yesterday, bang, you know, I've been keeping track. Yesterday, we were at 55.5 in volume. So we've gone down in volume. And this is what I want to show you. This is what I tried to show you yesterday. Yeah, we're down in volume. But look at what we're up in. Market motherfucking cap. We're at 179.3. We're at 182.4. We went up $3 billion in market cap. In other words, $3 billion came into this market and stayed here. No more weak hands, brothers. That's how you got to read the markets. You got to know how to read the markets. You got to know the signs. And that's the sign. We just had declining volume, but still more money. What does that tell you? Boys are just coming in and they're ready. They're coming in to party, and they're coming to party hard. And they're staying. And they are staying. So let me write this shit down so we have our numbers for tomorrow. What are you at? 182.4 and 50.3. All right. See what I'm saying? Yeah, we're down in market cap. We just went, in volume. We just went down $5 billion in volume. Yeah, so what? We just went up $3 billion in market cap. In other words, $3 billion came and stayed. You get what I'm trying to say, brothers? All right. Don't worry. I hope you get that. You'll get it. You understand. You understand. All right. So that's good for us. Good. Yes, the markets are moving as I suspected. All right. So bang. Let us proceed. Yes. Oh, this shit here. That's right. All right. I got to get into some talking here. All right. Fuck sticks. Here we go. Look, fuckers. I know these little crypto shit-ass websites. Look. These are idiots. They're little crypto nerds. If you're a reporter on a little crypto site, yeah, that's because you couldn't get a real job at the New York Times or the Bloomberg or something, okay? So these aren't the sharpest knives in the drawer, okay? I want you to get that, okay, when we're listening to these guys. All right, now. All right, let me get fueled. But look, let me just read this shit and let me get fueled. China's state macroeconomic planning agency mulls a ban on crypto mining. Right. They're mulling a ban on crypto mining, okay? I know. Everyone says, oh, it's the end of the world and all this. Fuck, man. Don't listen to these crypto sites. You're here with me, okay? You're here with Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. Don't worry about this crap. And let me just say two words to you. Regulatory arbitrage. Bang. Yes. If you don't know what that is, obviously you just got here. All right, let me explain. Let me get fueled. Look, newbies. Regulatory arbitrage is, if I want to do something somewhere and you don't let me do it, yeah, well, I just go the fuck somewhere else and do it where they let me. So who gives a shit? Oh, China's going to tell these guys not to mine? All right, they're going to pick up their mining rigs and go to fucking Switzerland. They're going to go to Quebec in Canada, right, where the electricity is super cheap. Don't worry, we'll read this shit, but fuck, brothers. I mean, I get it. It's China, so, I mean, what China does, it's a big deal, but, yeah, I mean, take things into perspective. They're going to ban it, and so what? Yeah, the miners are going to take their shit and go somewhere else and mine. Like, it's not going to change anything. But, brothers, all right. All these fucking morons got to talk about this, so I got to talk about this to you, right? Didn't I just killed it, right? If you've been here long enough, you already know regulatory arbitrage. Duh. Done. All right? But for the new people, let me read some shit and tell them some shit and, unfud them. Look, China's National Development Reform Commission, the NDRC, a state planning agency charged with spearheading macroeconomic policies, has revealed it is considering the elimination of crypto mining in the country. The news was reported by Reuters on April 9th. That's yesterday. It's 3:31 a.m., April 10th. The NDRC has reportedly now included crypto mining as part of its draft for a revised list of industrial activities the agency intends to curtail. The list, which reportedly runs at over 450 points long. So they look over the whole, all the industries of China. This is what this agency does. They look at all the industries of China, and then they look at the policies that they want China to go by. And then if industries have to change or not, they make them change. Like, China is not like here in America, or probably where you are, like where businessmen get to pay motherfuckers and like do stuff. Nah, dude. China doesn't give a fuck about all that. Like, they, if all right, say you have a power plant and it's polluting some river and the people downstream complain. Yeah. China tells you, yo, fuckstick, you fix that or we're closing you down. They don't care about the capitalists. They're not capitalist, right? Like, here we what do you call it? We cater to the capitalists. Yeah, they don't do that shit, man, because they're a one-party system. And so whenever anything goes wrong, well, there's only one political party to blame. So when the villagers down the stream complain about some pollution, yeah, they tell that fucker, yo, guy, fix your power plant or we'll fucking shut it down. They're hardcore like that. Yeah, man. I mean, they're making a lot of money. I mean, and there is corruption. You need some guangxi to make things done, but still, they don't really play like that. It's not like here or your country, probably, if you're in Europe or something, where just rich guys get to pay people and they get to do what they want. Nah, man, they don't do that. They don't do that. They don't do that. So, where are we talking about here? The indies are, the listing. Oh, yeah, and so that's what they do. Yeah, they go down the whole list, and they tell all those industries, all those companies, yeah, this is the new rules. Yeah, if you don't like it, fuck off. Like, they don't, it's not like you can pay them and they'll stop. Like, nah, it's not like here. Right. So, as you can see, so the report that they had, it has 450 points. So, there's 450 industries that are about to get the business. Now, identities, activities the state deems to be in violation of relevant laws, regulations, or pose a safety hazard or are unecological. That's what I mean, unecological. Yeah, if you pollute a river in China and shit, you can't just pay and they'll let you do that. Nah, man, you got to stop it somehow, like, or whatever, stop it or stop your business. They don't fuck around. So which is actually good. You know me, I don't mind a little bit of one-party system. It forms part of NDRC's wider catalog for guiding industry restructuring. All right, blah, blah, blah. I'm getting into this. Let me just get to the juicy stuff. Blah, blah, blah. With the draft feedback. All right, so people are going to get to feedback. Reportedly, and not set a proposed target date for eradicating crypto mining activities. So there's no target date, stipulating instead that the industry should be phased out. Exactly. That's what I'm telling you, fucksticks. What do you think? China's just going to go one day? These guys are making millions of dollars and then one day just shut them down? No, man. They're not going to do that. Like, they're going to phase it out. Like, all right, guys, you got a year, to get out of here, to stop doing that here. Yeah, well, regulatory arbitrage. All right, China doesn't want to let me do it. Like I said, I'll go to Switzerland. The Germans, look, they're nice. I'll go to Germany. I'll go to Stuttgart in Germany. You know what I mean? Canada, Quebec right now is kicking ass with some of the lowest energy prices in the world. So this is what I'm saying. And people are saying today, so Shamari, well, not Shamari, but sorry. No one asked me this. But, Oh, well, what's that going to do to the price of Bitcoin? Nothing. What's it going to do to the price of Bitcoin? It's going to do absolutely nothing to the price of Bitcoin. What does that have to do with anything? Prices are based on, supply and demand. I don't give a fuck if there's only one miner on Earth. As long as people want those Bitcoins, they're going to go up, right? The mining doesn't have anything. I mean, I would say maybe this. What would that have to do to transaction speeds or something? But it doesn't matter. They're going to give them time to phase out. Phase out, motherfucker. They're not just going to ruthlessly, just go there and kick everyone out of their offices and everything, All right, so you get it, guys? So don't let these stupid little stories fuck with you. And we're not even really going to read the end of this shit because I've already said just what I had to say right there. All right, don't let them fuck with you. And I'll tell you something else, to tell you the truth. Some people are saying that it's actually a good thing. Yeah, because now it decentralizes the mining. You had all these people, you had 2/3 of mining concentrated in one company. Now that you have to make them go across the globe, like say this is the world, they were all here in China. Now they got to go everywhere. Yeah, now you're truly decentralized. And no one government can fuck with shit. Right. So it's actually a good thing. Is this a bad thing? Oh, they're going to... No. On the contrary, this is a great thing for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So, all right. Yes, brothers. Don't let these stupid little crypto sites mess with you. These guys are retarded. They don't know shit. They get all hyped. Bitcoin goes up $100. Like, oh, Bitcoin to the moon. It goes down to $200. Like, oh, what a tanking. Settle down. That's the natural range of Bitcoin, buddy. Bitcoin is the most volatile asset in the world. Tell you the truth, if Bitcoin goes within a $500 range, to me, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. It's volatile like that. I'm a Forex trader. We used to be the most volatile thing. Yeah, until this crypto thing. Now they're the most volatile, but lack. I mean, I'm not going to bullshit you. That's why I was able to stick around in this market, because I'm used to volatility, right? So don't worry. And then back to this mining thing. Don't worry about that. Yeah, they're just going to move to another place and keep mining. Like, what the hell? It's not like they're stuck in China. Oh, no, I can't mine. Oh, well, my life is over. Hell no. They're just going to go somewhere else. All right, brothers. Look. Bang. Now, on-chain transactions rising for major cryptocurrencies except Ripple, XRP. Now, I know I'm always fucking with Ripple lovers, but I don't really give a fuck about them anymore. If they can't figure it out. Look, Ripple lover. If you can't figure out yet, that 200 banks, over 200 banks are using RippleNet. All they have to do is press a button, and they can use the XRPs. Yeah. No one's doing that. Not one. Not one of them are doing it. Duh. Garlinghouse is making a lot of money with RippleNet and that X-Current system. And then him and his buddies are paying themselves off of all the cult money you have put into his XRPs. Yeah, but XRPs aren't doing fuck all. So, but this story isn't about that. This is about what I want to show you now is our money's coming, brothers, and it is here to stay. Watch this. Let's get ready. Seriously, though, Ripple lovers. Man, brothers. I mean, why do you keep staying there? It's Q1, not one bank. Oh, no, we're in Q2. Oh, 10 days into Q2. Well, where's the bank, Garlinghouse? Why aren't you on Twitter demanding an AMA? Where are these banks, fuckstick? Where are these banks? All right, but this story's not about that. It's about Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. Yeah, and YouTube Bitcoin Cash, you motherfuckers. Look. I don't like Bitcoin Cash. I'm not going to lie to you. It's just, it was for what? Why'd you do that? Like, whatever, man. For some techie reason. All right, guys. So this guy, Twitter user, Satiris Par One Bus, all right, has compiled data showing that on-chain transactions have increased. Yes, people actually doing stuff now. And you know why they're doing it. They're getting ready for the tsunami that's coming. That's why I tell you right now what's going down. All these boys are OTCing. All these boys are getting ready. They're not stupid. They know there's a tsunami coming. Fuck, I've been telling you about the tsunami since last year. Yeah, I'm just a regular guy. Yeah, you don't think they know? They're the ones making it happen. So look, brothers. Yes, our on-chain transactions have increased. For Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple's XRP is the only notable exception with a decline of 39%. Yeah, well, no one's using it. Just cult members. But we're not here for the Ripple part. Tracking on-chain activity for a given cryptocurrency is a good way to gauge its growth. Exactly. You notice how we've been looking at the overall, we look at the overall volume and the overall market cap, right? And, the volume would be so what we're looking at here in terms of on-chain transactions is the same way as when we look at volumes on that other charts on these coin market cap things here, right? So now we're looking at, that's the market volume. Now we're looking at individual volume. Individual volume is going up. Bang! Yes, fuck sticks. I feel you coming. Yes, I feel you. Yes, there's a surge in the force. Yes. Look, brothers. Yes, I see you coming, and I see you. Not giving up that money. You're coming into the market, and you're staying. Yes. And you're staying, you sons of guns. Look at this. Brothers. Right? It's so beautiful. All this money coming. Look. So, tracking the on-chain activity is the good way to gauge its growth of the blockchain itself. The blockchain's company's growth. On this front, however, Ripple's XRP is falling behind. All right, whatever, though. In a graphic posted by SETI, fuck, my screen is a little small, so I got to lean in here. In a graphic posted by Ceteris Bar One Bus, what a fucking weird name. Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum all experienced a significant increase in on-chain transactions since April 2018, an increase since last year at this time, year on year. That's called year on year. Okay. Whenever you look at numbers, you can have month to month or year on year. In other words, compare the year to the last year. So they're comparing this to last year's. Bitcoin's daily transactions per day have increased from 169,000 to 370,000. Bang! Yes. A 120% increase in just 1 year. Yeah. Shit was going down. You know what we were looking at, brothers. OTC was going on. All sorts of action was going on behind the scenes. Everyone positioning. What were we doing? We were positioning for what we knew was to come. What? The flood. Like Noah. You're like Noah. You knew there was a flood. You positioned. And look, if you're new here, let me tell you something. My name's Shamari. Go to forexfactory.com. Type in my name, SHOMARI. You're listening to a trader. All right? So me and my buddies here, we're killers. Yes. Market killers, not physical ones. It's not like you're in some assassin group. But look, okay? Go check that out. Check out my stuff. That's just a 19-year investor. Go down in the middle. Go to, what is it called? Images. Bang. You'll see some of my old trades. Yes, they're old because I've been doing it for a long time. Bang. That's what you listen to. Now, brothers. Yes. So, right? While the market has been blood red, yeah. Motherfuckers ain't stupid. Just like I've trained you up here. Well, not trained you, I mean, a little bit. And showed you to get, buy. What do you think they've been doing? The smart money. What do you think the smart money's been doing? I am the smart money. What do you think we've been doing? And that's exactly what's been happening. So this proves to us, yes, brothers, we are positioned nicely. All that we did last year, all those blood fucking reds we bought into last year, right? Right? What were they doing? They were doing the exact same thing. You're welcome. I know. I told you. It's a little counterintuitive. It seems a little strange, right? If you're a 9-to-5 guy, you're like, what the fuck, dog? It's going down. Yeah, buying into strength isn't actually the thing. I'm more scared buying now than I was before, to tell you the truth. Yeah, buying into strength isn't the shit. Buying into weakness is, buy the dip, idiot. That's the BTDI, buy the dip, idiot. I know, it seems counterintuitive. All right, brothers, but look. Let's talk about our money. So Bitcoin has seen a daily transaction increase of 120% since last April. Why is this highlighting in yellow? What? It should be blue. Anyways, in just 1 year, Litecoin has increased from 169,000 to, wait. Oh, my bad. Oh, Litecoin and Ethereum posted more meager increases at 6% and 3% respectively. Yeesh. Not so great, but why is Bitcoin the one? Yeah, well, it's a commodity, and it's the popular name, and it's fucking regulated here in America already. It's a commodity here. Bitcoin is good to go. I know the Litecoin and Ethereum are good to go too. So it does suck that they didn't see that much of an increase, and I'd like to see that go higher. But we're going to have our Ethereum 401ks and our Ethereum futures and all that coming soon. So that'll drive price. I mean, that's the thing. What I think is, like, we have, Bitcoin futures right now, right? We read about the CME yesterday, right? The Chicago Mercantile Exchange yesterday. Their CME numbers are way up, right? Wasn't it way up? It was huge, right? And then China's OTC guys getting Bitcoin. So everyone's buying Bitcoin, right? And that's why that's going up so huge. But in terms of regulation, we're regulated in terms of Litecoin and Ethereum here in America. And bang, those are going to be the next two to rock and roll. And that's why I've been telling you guys since last fucking November, get those fucking large caps. Get those large caps. Those are the next ones that are going to roll. They're already commodities here, so there's no reason to not. For them to not rise. And, that's how that's going to go down, brothers. I mean, shit. All right, so that's how it's going to go down. Ripple's XRP has seen a significant decline from last April. Its on-chain transactions have plummeted from 678,000 a day to 417, a 39% decline. Yeesh, that's a beatdown. That is a beatdown. That's a beatdown as hardcore. All right, so we're just going to read this bullshit right here, but I'm not doing this about the XRapid. I'm not even, Ripple lovers, fuck you guys. If you don't get it yet, fuck you. I'm not even going to tease you. You're not even worth teasing anymore. It was fun, but now, just fucking figure it out or fuck off. So look, in late 2018, Ripple officially released its XRapid payment network, with no one uses. Too much enthusiasm to its cult members. It was intended for payment providers and institutions to facilitate easier cross-border payments at a fraction of the cost. Yeah, wow. It obviously isn't doing it. Look, banksters have the opportunity to use it right now. If it saved them money or was better, the banksters would use it. Banksters will kill their own mother for $5. Yeah, something's wrong. What's wrong, Shamari? I don't know what's wrong. But over 200 banks use RippleNet, and all they have to do is press a button, boop, just press the button, and now they're XRP ready to go. But none of them are doing it. So something is wrong. Something's not working, or there's some issue, obviously. All right, Ripple lovers? Or just anybody just watching markets, we have to understand that. You roll out a product and no one's using it. Why? Right? Of course, Garlinghouse isn't going to tell us, and none of these banksters are going to tell us either why. But it'll come out eventually why. But yeah, they have access to RippleNet. They're using RippleNet right now. Press a button, boop, you can use XRapid. They're not. Why? I think it's because the stable coins are coming and they're like, fuck that shit, that's obsolete. I'll just make my own fucking coin. It was intended for payment providers and institutions to facilitate. Anyway, we all know about Ripple. Recently, the company reaffirmed its commitment to XRapid by expanding its presence in Asia. It reportedly it doubled its employees in Singapore to 24. A whole 24 employees. All right. All right, fuck X-Rabbit. I'm not here for Ripple. But bang, look. Because this is what I'm here for, because I want to show you guys this. Bang! Yes. Bang! But let's just finish with this story first, and then we'll get it out. So, guys, on-chain transactions. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. What I tell you, get those large caps. Get those large caps, brothers, because those are going to be the first. Those are going to be first. Yes. Your Stellas, your V-Chains, your Moneros, all that's going to fly down the road. Down the road a little bit. But first and foremost, I think, I mean, you know, what the fuck, you know? Just in my 19-year experience and just how I know how markets work, if you're super regulated by America already, these guys are going to do that. That's what they want, that quick money. You know what I mean? And they'll wait. They'll wait till VeChain and IOTA and Stellar and everybody's regulated. You know what I'm saying? Just get your large caps first, brothers. Please. Every penny you can spend right now, man. Every flipping penny you can spend right now. Get her done, brothers. Get her done. Because the on-chain transactions are nice. And also because, bang! Because institutional trading volumes have seen 4 months of fucking growth. Yes. But I tell you guys, we're at the bottom already. 3,100 on a Bitcoin, that was it. That was it, man. That was the bottom. So we're still down here at 5. What are we at, actually? What are we at? 5.2? All right. So we're at 5.2. You know, and we're seeing, you know, sustained market cap growth. It's not just the volume. Fuck volume. Well, not fuck volume. Volume's good. Yeah. I mean, we need more volume, but the fact that we are down in volume but up in cap, yeah, that shows you guys are just piling in. Yeah, guys are piling in and hanging around. All right? It's one thing, big volume, and then they profit take and cap goes down. They're not profit taking. Well, not yet anyway. I mean, we'll see how it goes, but not yet. And, which is true. We have to see how it goes. Shmoy, man, you always have to say but. Look, guys, it's the reality. But I don't think we're going to have a problem. Institutional investors aren't coming here to be weak hands, to trade in and out so fast. They know what's going on. They know what's going on. Long-term growth. This is about to become long-term growth, brothers. Your shit's going to rise for the next 8, 10 years. Steadily. Will there be red days? Of course. But what will the overall trend be? Higher highs and higher lows. Uptrend. I'm a trend trader, right? Higher highs, higher lows is what we trade, okay? Slap your Fibonacci's on that and bang, get that money. Look. So, guys, and this is where our money's been coming from. Institutions, and they're sticking around. I know these websites don't tell you, but believe me, I'm telling you, they're sticking around. All right, guys. So, look, trading of institutional Bitcoin investment products have seen growth for the 4th month running and are rising against United States-based crypto exchanges as a percentage of total trading volume. Yes. Yep. They're starting to outpace the retail, what did it just say right here? Crypto exchanges. The news was revealed in a news report from a weekly crypto outlet, Diar, on April 8th, yesterday. So Diar's data reveals that month on month, the percentage that institutional Bitcoin, so this is about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin products account for out of total Bitcoin trading volumes has continued to steadily grow. What's growing? Institutional Bitcoin trading volumes has continued to steadily grow. As you all know here, we don't need any more retailers. I don't need little old mama over here buying a Bitcoin. Bang! I need these institutions buying 1,000 Bitcoin, right? Well, don't worry, brothers, because it's begun to steadily grow. Yes. You notice the water? You notice the trickle of the flood? Yes, the water's up to our ankles right now, right? Still early. Can still run around, gather your goods, fill your warehouse, build your ark. But you got to hurry because it's at the ankles now. Well, now the water's at the ankles. Ankle depth. Look. All right. Oh, and here's how the growth happened. 15% in January, 17% in February, 18th in March, 19th in April. It keeps on going up. Diar's data notably focuses on 3 institutional products. All right. Chicago Mercantile Exchange. That's what we talked about yesterday. The CME. Bitcoin futures, which is kicking ass. The CBOE futures, which actually is bullshit because they just stopped there. They're not offering futures for a while. And then the Bitcoin Investment Trust. All right, and here are the numbers right here. You see this chart? So, blah, blah, blah. As you can see, these are the last bang, 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 4 days, months. And since January, right? That was the last blood red. So it's pretty funny. You can see the blood reds that we went through, right? Right? October, we went that blood red. And then remember November with the hash wars with Bitcoin Cash. What was it? Forking, right? And they did the hash war between Roger Ver and Fake Toshi, remember? And then the December crash, remember? Because the Bitcoin miners, they were losing so much money, they started running away and they started shorting their own shit, right? But bang, 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 bang. Like I've told you, brothers. Look. Yeah, second Q2, brothers. So the rising share notably does not represent an all-time high, which is at 24% in July. Exactly, it was. Last July, there was a big bang. I'm not really sure what that was. That's interesting. Moreover, the rising relative popularity of institutional products comes amid a backdrop of declining Bitcoin trading volumes in the U.S. context overall. All right, and so this is the U.S. Bang, bang, bang. Bitcoin trading has gone down. Anyway, this is a global market. It doesn't matter just what happens here in America. Other people aren't waiting around. As Diar notes, CBOE has logically seen the biggest decline in market dominance, having delisted Bitcoin futures in mid-March. That's what I was telling you. Yeah, they've delisted. They're not doing it anymore, actually. Of this year, as it reassesses its approach to listing crypto derivative offerings. Diar further states that Grayscale's GBTC, which trades on the OTC markets, has reportedly also lost dominance. Having accounted for over 50% of the market share across the 3 institutional products, it now reportedly stands at under half at 24.4. So the CME one is the one that's kicking ass. It's a long-winded way of what this guy's trying to say, I guess. Not I guess, that's what he's saying. So as a context for its findings, Diar mentions a recent analysis from cryptocurrency index fund providers Bitwise Asset Management that argued that 95% of volume on unregulated exchanges appears to be fake or non-economical in nature. What does that have to do with this? While suspicions in regard to reported volumes have frequently beset the industry, Bitwise's data and claims were notably submitted to the SEC. All right, but who gives a fuck? The point is, bang, we have some growth. And that growth, like I've showed you, is staying here. That money is staying in the markets. And that's what, it's very simple. It's supply and demand. That's what markets are, supply and demand. If I have a chicken and only one guy wants it, but I need the money, well, I'll sell it to him cheap. Well, if I got one chicken and 100 people want it, well, motherfuckers, you guys are going to pay. You're going to, I'm going to make you bid the price up until the last guy bids the highest price, right? Like an auction. Yeah, that's a good way to say it. A market is like an auction, right? You bid it up until, someone's not, until the last guy's willing to pay, and then that's what you sell at, right? Yeah, exactly. So I got one chicken, and no one wants it. Well, maybe I sell it for $1. If I got one chicken and 10 guys want it, wow, how much you guys willing to pay for that chicken? You know what I mean? Yeah, I'll give you $5. Yes. Anyone else? I'll give you $7. Okay. Anyone else? I'll give you $10. Anyone else? Anyone? All right, here, $10 chicken. Here you go. Right? And that's what markets are. It's basically kind of an auction in a way, but we're the ones controlling the stuff, right? It's not like an auction guy that we're bidding at. But that's why it's called the bid and the ask, right? That's what we're in. It's an auction, right? The more valuable the asset, well, the higher the price gets bid up. It's like an auction, right? If you have if I paint you a painting and you sell it at auction, no one's going to buy that. Yeah, I'll give you $2 for that. That sucks. I don't know how to paint, right? Yeah, but you put a fucking Mona Lisa up there, well, or the Mona Lisa, I guess is what you say, or a Rembrandt, or a, you know, whatever kind of famous guys there are out there. Well, damn, that's millions of dollars, right? Yeah, because everybody's willing to pay that much for it, right? And so that's markets, guys, and that's what I've been telling you, like, supply and demand, brothers. Look, all right, let's get you back to your wives and lives. Let's chill and kill it. Bang, let's do shout-outs and airdrops. Yes, I got a notification. What we got? Oh, what's he saying? Benjamin, because I. Bang, see you, brother. What's he saying? CB News, look at some DNVGL portfolio GL. 10 cent and LMA and much more. And LMA is one of China's. Look, brother. I know, you keep telling me about the V-chain. And let me give you a like. Bang! Dude, I already know. Like, I have many hundreds of thousands of V-chain. But yes. So, guys, get your V-chains. See that? DNVGL portfolio. 10 cent and something. Yeah, getting together with V-chain. All right, guys. Dino, bang, see you, brother. DP Entertainment, bang, see you, brother. Benjamin again, bang, see you. Benjamin! I still got to think of a story for your mom, man. Fuck. I don't know what to say. You're already making money. Now she's not complaining to you. It was fun when she was yelling at you. Right? When she was yelling at you for being a little weirdo down in the basement. Well, it was fun. Yeah, right? That was funny, making fun of her. Yeah, well, now she knows you're making money, right? So there's nothing really to say about her. Like I said, she's bringing you chicken and rice, and everything's good in the Brandreen household. So, bang! Love you, Brandreen. Bitcoin Kong. Oh, another one? Oh, this guy's just doing it every day. Singularity Net. Yes. Yes, indeed, brother. That shit right there. Here comes 5G. Yes, here comes artificial intelligence. Yeesh, that's some spooky shit what these guys have with that talking robot. I'm invested. I'm going to make the money, but I'm not saying I like it. My investor mind is going to make me make that money. But do I approve of what these guys are doing? I don't know, guys. I don't really think so, man. I don't like a talking robot like that. Next thing, you're going to have it walking around and shit. Look. Yes, brothers. We'll get there when we get there, though. We'll get there when we get there. Who we got? Oh, this sweetie. Blockchain Stallion. See you, girl. Bang. Yes, and our Irish sister. Bang, Lisa. Long time, girl. Balls of steel. Bang. That's what she told me. I didn't tell her that. She told me she had balls of steel. Look. Radster. Love you, brother. See you. 1975. Bang. Yes, Poppywood. See you, brother. Bang. Oh. And I got that Brave browser shit you guys told me about to go get. So, just tell me what to do with that shit. I loaded it. And whatever. I'm not going to even use that thing. That's stupid. Like, whatever, man. Look. Son of a bitch. Bang. 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 Yes, airdropper. Wrong case. Love you, brother. See you. Who's this guy right here? A new guy. Edward J. Dale. What's he saying? I'm an academic author in science, theology, and philosophy. Tech background in supercomputing and VR. Ooh, that's very diverse. Dev of pinnaclebrilliance.com. All right, brother. See you. Nice. Edward. Love you, brother. Bang. All right. Invictus. What's this guy saying? Hey, dummy. This is no accident. All of this was designed. Took my time. Crept from behind. And I opened up your blinds. Rise and shine. Johns. Well, Invictus. You might want to, hey, dummy. Instead of calling someone a dummy, you might want to add the word is. This is no accident. All right, brother. So you don't look like a dummy. Bang, love you, brother. You might want to add a little word right there. You know what I mean? Get your English right. All right. Oh, yeah, and here's Dino. I love these boys from the Netherlands, man. These guys are hardcore. Look at this guy. Waiting for the bulls. Yes. Yes, my lions. Remember that animal video I showed you? That's what we are. Remember the one where the gazelle jumped and the lion caught it in midair? I'd show you again right now, but I got in trouble from YouTube, so I can't do it. You know, I don't want to fuck up our thing here. But yeah, that's us right there. Just like this. I'm just licking lips. Waiting for the flood. Waiting for the tsunami. Yes. Waiting for those good old bulls to come through so we can get ourselves a meal. Yes, brothers. Waiting for that meal to come. Waiting for the meal to come. Oh, indeed. And what's this one? Oh, he showed me that bang is real. Look at this girl. Put on some underwear. Stinky. Yes, bang is real. Yes, bang is bang, bang, bang. Yes, indeed. And bang, bang, Kong. All right. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Boom. Boom. Yes, guys. Bang. All right, guys. So good show. China crypto mining ban. So, guys, fuck that crypto shit. Crypto ban. Who gives a fuck? Doesn't matter. Regulatory arbitrage. If you don't know what that means, oh, I did explain it to you already, didn't I? And if, just look, regulatory arbitrage. The Chinese, if they do decide to ban, and it's an if, remember that, it's an if. So if they decide to ban it, all right, they're going to give these guys, 6 months, 9 months, whatever months to get the fuck, to stop. Yeah, well, what are the guys going to do? They're going to, all right, we'll pack up and move to another country, right? So don't worry about that. It's, all these idiots worrying about that shit. That's stupid as fuck. Whoa. 1 second. Yes, I'm back. Like Marco Rubio when he did the thing and then he had to get the water after the State of the Union. All right. I do that all the time, don't I? So look, though, guys, on-chain transactions are on the rise. Exactly. There's a lot of action. Guys are OTCing. Guys are setting up. The big boys. Here comes the money. And, that's what's going down. Now, I know, Ripple lovers, that's bad for you guys. Your shit went down 30-something%. But like I said, man, you better fucking ask Going House about those banks. Fuck all that shit. You better just sell that shit and get some stellar. Look, I'm not even teasing you guys anymore. You're boring me now. You bored me, Ripple Army. Fucking bunch of crazy little kids. So look, though, and the last story, institutional trade volume up for the 4th straight month. And that's what we're here for. What have I been preaching all last year, brothers? I don't give a fuck about that old lady buying a Bitcoin. I don't give a fuck about that bartender over there buying a couple Litecoin. Look. I need this fucker. Bang! Buying 1,000 Bitcoin. You know what I'm talking about? And coming here to buy my cryptocurrency warehouse at a premium. And that's what you need. And that's what's happening. The institutional investors are on the way. They brought so the transactions show that they brought their money in. The institutional trade shows that they're coming here for, yes, an extended period of time since it's been 4 months. Since last December. When we were at Bitcoin at 3,100, that was it. That was the bottom. Okay, I want you to get that. That was the bottom. Now we rise from here. As more money comes in, that's called demand. Well, what happens when demand rises? So does the price of whatever goods you have. I mean, as long as they're working product and generating revenue. All right? So, yeah, let's go. Let's chill and kill. Let's get you back to Wives Live, brothers. Bang. Hope you enjoyed the show. Yes. Bang, China. Yes. Sorry, not China. The on-train transactions and the volume. Bang, guys. Subscribe below. Press the bell. You get automatic notifications. Look. This is my favorite time of my day. I love doing this show. This is my favorite time of the day. I love talking money. I love talking crypto. And I love keeping you guys in the loop. So you make this money and we get rich. And, we ride off into sunset. Nice and successful. So for today, I'm out of here and I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is Shamari Clark. Bang. And I'm always on duty. Yes, indeed. Over and out.